everyone, and welcome to my channel, Dianna's Homestead, and you guys are here with me, Dianna. Today I'm out here in my food forest. I have a company that has reached out to me by the name of Vegega. Today we are going to be assembling a metal raised bed. Yes, you guys, they have sent me this metal raised bed to assemble for you guys today. So if you want to come along with me as I put this metal raised bed together, and I also have a discount code for you guys as well. Let's get into it. Here's the product. It is 32 inches tall. It's a 6-in-1 upgrade. Slate gray is the color. Okay, so here are the pieces. It has came with this directions book here, your complete guide. All right. Okay, so this kit here comes with everything you need. It comes with all the screws, washers, and it also has the little tool here so you can tighten up your screws. It has the rubber, it's a little rubber covering that goes on the top of this part right here. So this rubber right here is going to be going around here. These right here are going to be your braces that goes in the middle right here. See those little bars? All right, and here are the pieces. So we're going to put these together, put the screws in. Okay, so I want to show you guys, there is a protective lining on here. So you might want to go ahead and peel this off first. See? Let me zoom in for you guys. There it is. See, it's a protective lining on here. So you might want to go ahead and peel that off first. So you have 4 curved pieces like this one here. This is a curved piece. So you have 4. So these 4 pieces are going to be your end pieces. And all you're going to do is line it up with the hole. You're going to take your screw and a washer and a bolt, and you're going to put it here in that hole, and you're going to line just like that there. All right, and then you're going to take your bolt and you're going to put that on the back. Okay, so that's how it's looking from the back side or the inside, and you're going to go all the way down like that. Here's your screw and your washer, your bolt. You're going to place it in, line it up with the hole. This is very simple, you guys. This is very easy to put together. am going to tighten these screws. So I'm going to use this Phillips head screwdriver. Put it here, and I'm going to take this little tool and we're going to tighten. We're going to tighten these screws. See there? Tight. And we're going to go all the way down with all of them, just like this. And we're going to tighten them. Here's how it's looking so far. We've got both of the ends done. We've got all our screws in and they've all been tightened. But do not tighten them to the point where you are stripping your screws. But there it is. Okay, so now we are going to move on to the side panels. And these right here are the side panels. So we're going to do the same thing with the side panels. Okay, so we're going to line these holes up with these holes. So just like putting a puzzle together. If you're good at putting puzzles together, you would definitely be able to do this. I mean, you don't even need to be good at putting puzzles together for this, you guys. All right, so you're going to do the same thing. You're going to take your bolt and your washer, put that through here. Then you're going to take your bolt and screw that on the back. And you're going to go all the way down just like that. Take your washer, your bolt, line it up with the hole. Then you're going to take your nut and screw it on the back. Take your tool, put it on your nut, and tighten. There we go. And go all the way down and tighten. Guys, now we are going to put in our metal braces. So I have gone, let's see here. We got the screws here. You see there's one screw here. Two. The third screw down is where I'm going to put this metal brace right here. Hope you guys can see. All right, so we're going to take it, and right here has threads, so you could thread this into the screw. All right, and just turn, twist, 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 twist. All right, so that's one side. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side. Third screw down. There we go. Same thing on this side. Third screw down. There we go. Got the braces in. Final step is to apply this rubber around the edges. A protective rubber around the edges here. You guys can see we have some grooves here. See these grooves? This groove is going to go down into the sides here of this metal. See? There we go. Here it is, you guys. It's all assembled. Now we are going to fill her up. So what I'm going to do first here is I'm going to get cardboard. I got pieces of cardboard I'm going to put down here in the bottom. Then I'm going to go ahead and put this good old cottonseed compost that I got from my local feed and seed store. We're going to fill it up with that, and we're also going to amend the soil. So let's go head on and fill this baby up. We've got it filled up with my cardboard. Now we are going to put the dirt in. So here it is. It is all done. Yes, we have got this 32-inch height. Look how tall it is, you guys. Good on your back. You don't have to bend over. This right here, if you have back problems, this right here is your key. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and sow some seeds for you guys today. I got some Detroit red beets. And I have two different types of radishes. I have champion radish, and we have the French breakfast radish. Okay, so we're going to get these planted in here today. Now I want to let you guys know that this bed right here should last you for a good 20 plus years, you guys. A good 20 plus years. It has a coating on here that is going to help with rust resistant. Also, your soil, you don't have to worry about your soil being contaminated. This right here is made out of material that is not going to leak into your soil, so that is a good thing. In comparison to my wooden beds, if you guys can tell, your wood is going to rot over time. So this right here is worth the money. It's going to last you, okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and sow these seeds. Just going to start over here. We're going to sow some seeds in here, and these should take about 30 days, you guys. So I'll be coming back to y'all in about 30 days, and we should be harvesting some radishes and possibly even some beets as well. You guys, so we have completed the assembly of this Vegega metal raised bed. I want to give a big thank you to Vegega for allowing me to showcase you guys' product. I absolutely love it, and I would highly recommend this to anyone that's out there gardening, new gardeners, experienced gardeners. This right here is a very good metal raised bed, especially good for your back. Like I said, it'll last you 20 plus years. Make sure you guys stay tuned, because we will be coming back to check my harvest of radishes and beets in here. And if you guys would like to purchase this metal bed here, I will have my affiliate link down in the description box. If you do decide to make a purchase and you use my link, I will get a little commission, you guys, so it will help me out a lot. I also have a 10% discount code as well. Will be down in the description box. So once again, thank y'all so much for coming along with me and you guys' support. I greatly appreciate it. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be where I'm at now. So thank you all so very much. Thank you, Vegega, once again. And until next time, you guys, I will be seeing y'all. Bye.